Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to print your Google tasks. Now for this you'll need to use Taskboard, okay? And for that you can just search this up on Google and click on Taskboard right here. And remember guys, this is syncing everything from your Google Calendar as well. So to print this is very easy. So let's say you want to print this list for your personal life. You just come here. And here at the edge, the top right edge, you'll see these three dots, right? Go ahead and click on this. And then we get a bunch of options. Go ahead and click on print list. And what I need you to do is choose your printer. Okay, so let's do this one for me. And if you have multiple pages, you can go ahead and select which pages you want. I'll do all of it. And we can leave it at colored. You can also make it black and white if you would like, depending on your printer. Or if you just prefer colored, go ahead and do that. Now, paper size, I'm selecting A4. And you can increase this scale, okay? So if you think this looks too small, you can increase it. You can try scaling it up. As you can see, this one looks much better. And when you're happy with this, just go ahead and print it out. Really that easy and simple.